成間屋咧就重過大間咗，淨係呢個 garden 就36尺。我睇到一啲好有趣嘅嘢。第一 one is a DJ stage, is it? Hello， 大家好，歡迎翻到嚟 MYOU KL 有樓睇，我係 Mark。咁呢一次咧，亦都係 MYOU 第一次踏入呢個雪蘭莪區，介紹一啲樓盤俾大家睇嘅。咁樣之前我哋成日講啦 ，KL 有樓睇，KL 有樓睇咧，我哋主要都帶大家睇 KL 嗰啲樓盤嘛。咁樣當雪蘭莪有一啲靚盤嘅時候咧，當然我哋都唔會錯過介紹俾大家嘅。咁呢集咧，亦都係另外一個特別嘅點咧，就係我哋第一次邀請到一個女嘉賓嚟到我哋呢個 MYOU 啦。咁呢個女嘉賓咧，佢自己都有自己嘅 channel 啦，亦都係好多 follower 㗎啦。咁事不宜遲，我馬上邀請佢先 ，from 我哋嘅 Lux Estate 嘅 Sara。Hello。
Hi. Thank you, Mark. Thank you for inviting me.
我呢一次會用通常我都講廣東話㗎嘛，但係因為Sara 咧就係硬模 style 多少啦，講英文嘅，所以都係對我嚟講一個非常之大嘅挑戰。But you can understand me, right?
Yes, I can understand you.
Okay.
No problem.
大家唔使擔心，呢一集我哋會用雙語嘅。OK， 主要咧我哋都會有個subtitle響下低，咁樣我講啲英文咧，如果講得唔好咧，大家就唔好笑我啦。So Sara, can you like simply brief us a little bit about this very nice house behind us?
Yes, it's my pleasure. So right behind me is actually a 3-story semi-D, and right now we are here in Rafflesia at the hill at Damansara Perdana.
我睇到呢一度咧 ，when I come in that time I see the environment is quite 點樣講啊？即係好 peaceful 啊，好高級咁噶。
You are right, Ma. Actually, because we are located on top of a hill. So it's very nature friendly. Okay, so basically this one is actually developed by MYOU Land. It's a very big developer in Damansara Perdana.
Okay, so first of all, very important questions. Okay, I believe all my audience would like to know first, how much is the property?
Okay, good question, Mark. So this one is actually 5 million.
我哋馬上咧就去睇一睇啦，呢個500萬馬幣嘅一個豪宅啊 ，Let's go！
So when you enter here, right, you can see this is the main entrance that welcome us, tastefully designed.
其實呢一個咧，佢俾我有一種感覺係好似去到嗰啲resort 咁樣啊，因為 when I step into it like 好似去緊唔知度假咁。
Yes, exactly. Then you can design, you can put the lights that you want, you know, yeah, that kind of feeling. So total here is actually 7,000 plus land area, and then for the build up is around 5,000 square feet. Yep.
So the land size is 7,000.
Yes, and it comes with a big garden. Later I'm going to show you. Yep.
Okay, come.
Since 2011, almost 10 years, but the whole area is actually well maintained. Yeah, and total here almost like 90 units for this phase. There is 86 acres for the whole development.
90 only for first phase.
First phase,
first
yes.
phase ah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So consider very low density.
Okay, from here, roughly estimate is around 30 feet for the indoor. Yeah, and of course, the owner actually did 2 times renovation, and this is one of the part which is extended. Yeah, so last time it was until here. So this whole part was actually extended. Yep, to the car porch area. Yep.
Okay, so 成間屋咧就重過大間咗，之前已經大間咗，從裝修都係論再大間啲。
Yes, the owner is a family stay. Majority here is actually family stay. Yeah.
Okay.
So below here is actually, because they don't want to waste the space, so they actually make it into a storage area. Below this, in front of the car porch.
Oh, so this underneath is a storage area.
Yes, yeah.
哇，咁樣你可以收咩都得啊？嗰啲咩啊？聖誕樹啊？
Yes.
嗰啲一年用一擺嗰啲嘢全部擺下
Those
底。
festive and all your car wash machine, all you can actually put it there.
Okay, but I realized that this layout actually is a split level kind of. 佢係咁樣嘅，只是嗰度一部分，呢度一部分。
Yeah, you are right, Ma. Actually, because the whole area is actually layered into a way, so you have like your chill area, you can host your guests, and this is your living area, okay? And then you have a dining area there. Later, we're going to check out the wet and dry kitchen.
The kitchen,
Yeah.
okay.
Yep.
Sarah, before that we explore to the kitchen. Actually, 我俾依個後邊依個 garden 吸引多啲啦。
Yes, yes.
Can we go to look at the
Yes.
garden?
Come, come. Very big, right?
Very big. How big is this, Sarah?
So from here to here is actually 36 feet.
36 feet.
Yes.
36尺啊！哇，36尺，即係 normally 我哋嗰啲中間嘅屋咧都係18尺到22尺啫。咁樣淨係呢個 garden 就36尺，即係 double of the size 啦，差唔多。
House, yes.
Okay, okay.
So this space actually originally was like the grass, the land, but the owner actually extended this part out also, to make it into like you can make your alfresco dining here. So the whole part is actually extended.
哦，上高佢都加咗前年有嘅。
Yes.
Okay, okay, right.
Yeah. So for this pool itself, the owner already renovate using like 100,000 for this pool.
係真係嗰啲有啲細啲嘅 condo 啦，細啲嘅 condo 嘅 size 都係咁樣嘅 pool size 咗嚟。This part only
Yep.
100,000.
100,000.
100,000.
This part, yep, haven't include. The whole part here almost is like 300,000, haven't including the house reno.
Okay. And I also realize the owner is a plantation lover，呢啲中意種嘢嘅人。
Yeah. He actually spent some money for the landscaping. And they themselves, they like the gardening. So you can see all this is like very matured garden already.
跟住我睇到一啲好有趣嘅嘢。That one is a DJ stage, is it?
That one,
係放捽碟嘅嗰度。
yeah, you can make it into DJ stage, but I mean, for me, it's like a cocktail bar.
其實呢個點開㗎？
It's actually the barbecue pit.
Barbecue pit. So this is a barbecue area 啦。
Yes.
知你呢度。Wow. This will also included.
Yes.
Sell off together.
Yep, together. Yeah.
Okay.
If you like to host party, with your friends, maybe your VIP guests, here the whole space you can fit almost 50 to 60 packs.
可以啊，真係。如果呢個 area 啊，即係搭晒棚啊，我覺得裝50個人係真係好容易嘅事啊，非常之大個，超大。
And haven't include this space also. One more thing, Mark. For those who love dogs, wow, I think this space is also very good.
肯定咯，咁大個草地，肯定係俾狗跑嘅咯。即係住洋樓養翻狗，就係我哋嘅夢想。
So this one is actually connected to the wet kitchen part.
Okay.
We have a friend here.
喂 ，Hi， 阿伯同我哋一齊睇樓。Okay.
Yeah, it's a very big golden.
This part is the wet kitchen.
Yes.
Okay, understand. Then this one?
Okay, this one is actually connected to the second floor. This part is the extended balcony. Yeah, and then connected to the TV entertainment area.
Yeah, later you show me as well,
Yes.
right? Okay.
So for this part, as you can see, from top to bottom, right, actually they already do all the major reno, including the plaster ceiling, everything. So the house itself, I think around another 300,000. So total the renovation cost is almost 600,000. So from here, Mark, just now I missed out this part. So this is actually the storage area. Yeah, so this house actually got more than enough storage area. Total, there are 5 bedrooms, 5 en-suites, and 5+1 bathroom, and this is the powder room, the +1. Right over here is the dining area. Okay, so as you see here, can fit like 6 to 8 person, but actually, of course, it has more space than that.
好大啊！喺度空間，你放個圓台，如果係唐人嘅話，放圓台坐10個人都冇問題。
Yeah, and you can see they separate out the living area and also the dining area, so that it's some kind of give you a feeling like very private. So you can have your own space while you are dining. So this one is a very long island, like 10 feet. Yeah, this is also very good. Like you want to prepare your meal while also interacting with your guests.
屋主做咗好似好Balinese style 咁嘅嘢，跟住有好多嗰啲
using the wooden design.
珍藏嘅杯啊，全部喺度。
Yeah, the storage definitely is more than enough. Even here below the island, you have the storage space. And this one is the French door size fridge, family fridge. So because the owner herself, she loves to bake. So this space actually you see the oven.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is connected to the backyard, and you can convert into a wet kitchen. That area is quite huge.
Oh, okay. It's from the garden lah. Just now came from the garden.
Yes.
Okay. And then this room I believe is a maid room lah.
Yeah, this one is the maid room and ensuite. Yeah.
肯定有姐姐房啦，咁大間屋。
Yeah, because usually big family, right? You need a maid to help you for this 5,000 over square feet land.
To do the cleaning 啦，唔係做死人。
You want to check out the second level?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Wow.
Yeah, this is the entertainment area. It's very huge, right?
Okay, it's like a second living room 啦。
Yes, you're right.
Okay. Finally, I see the TV. 我諗住依家人唔中意睇電視機。
So this one is one of the bedroom. The ensuite is very huge also, and I love this corner unit room because got sufficient sunlight and you can see the windows all. But in fact, the owner actually did some renovation on the window itself. Yeah, because if you can see the other units, right, they actually is the normal, the original style.
OK， 即係窗口都換過咗嘅 ，to match 翻你嘅 design。所以呢個都係一個套房啦。
Yeah.
So that one is a bathroom 啦。
The bathrooms, yes. So
Right.
the other, these two is actually the kids' room. Yeah, they
okay.
actually make it into the kids' room.
Oh,
yeah,
so
but
it's also ensuite.
Yeah, because of privacy issue. So
哦，OK， 明白，冇問題。咁
So,
that
you wanna-
one is an extended part。
yes, this is the extended balcony.
哇
So from here just now, you can see that our staircase is actually joining here.
，OK。
It's a very good kids playing area also.
嗰啲豪宅好中意擺嗰啲遮啊。
Yeah,
嗰啲
the shades.
哇，喺呢度飲杯嘢都係正喎。
Yes.
其實呢個屋真係好多嘢，太多嘢。而家我先發覺到呢個 sofa 咧係咁大張。
Yeah, this is actually a 7-seater sofa.
哇，OK，
Very huge.
OK。
So right over here, right, it's actually lead us to the level 3, the master bedroom. So you can imagine the whole floor is actually master bedroom and a master bathroom.
我行到2層嘅時候，基本上你睇我拍嘅時候，又行出邊又行入邊，已經係流晒汗，流晒汗啦，所以係好大。啊，包括如果你講頭先所有嘅房間加起嚟加埋呢一個第二個廳咧，都係 master room 啦喺上高。
You can imagine, right?
係好大啦。咁如果觀眾朋友你對間屋係有興趣嘅話咧，你喺 description box 嗰度咧係可以揾到阿 Sara 嘅聯絡號碼啦。咁你哋就可以 call 佢問佢。
Actually here, right, they have 8 acres of nature park. Do you want to check it out?
Yes, of course. 其實呢個公園真係好緊要大嘅。
Can you imagine, Mark? It's 8 acres.
真係好大，跟住我睇到有籃球場啦，有 playground 啦，有 jogging track 啦，
有 barbecue pit。
但係我覺得 evening 嚟嘅時候會比較適合啲啦。呀，我哋女嘉賓流晒汗啊，快啲 like 我哋段片啊！OK， 我哋講翻正題先啊 ，Sara。之前頭先我哋忘記咗問你，呢一個地區啊，其實係位於吉隆坡嘅邊一度啊？其實
Okay, so for Damansara Perdana, it's actually KLCC west side. Almost like 25 minutes drive.
咁都唔會好遠嘅，只25分鐘就可以揸到去 KLCC 咗嘅。
Yes.
OK， 咁樣附近會有咩商圈？
Okay, so for the amenities, the nearest is actually the commercial hub, just 3 minutes drive from here. You can get your groceries like Jaya Grocer,
Okay.
F&B restaurant. And if you want to check out the mall, the nearest is One Utama, 10 minutes drive.
One Utama 出名啦，One Utama 係馬來西亞最大嘅商場啦。
Yes.
咁樣都其實理解嘅，即係如果你去近嘅話，就去 1U 啦。跟住如果你真係愛落到 town 都係20幾分鐘嘅啫，我相對嚟講都唔會講好偏僻嘅。咁樣去呢個位置，我可以講係嗰種靜中帶旺嗰種地區。
Yeah, you're right. Because here is like we are in the city center, but you can still enjoy the nature, the peaceful.
Understand. So 500萬買一個7000尺嘅一個豪宅，向呢個Perdana Damansara Perdana 呢個地區。 好啦，咁樣我哋今日嘅影片咧就嚟到尾聲咗啦。咁樣好高興啦，阿 Sara 流咁多汗啊，嚟 show 我哋，同埋帶我哋嚟睇個雪蘭莪區嘅一啲物業。跟住下低咧，其實有 Sara 嘅嗰個 YouTube channel 嘅，咁大家咧都可以去訂閱佢嘅 channel 啦。咁如果大家中意段片咧，記得 like、share 同埋 subscribe 啦。咁MYOU係你哋嘅房地產指南，我哋下個影片再見，拜拜。